Editing digital audio. So basic editing means editing one audio at a time, enhance the audio such as trimming, remove noise, and even if it is used for audio mixing. Audio mixing can be done with single or multiple, can be done with multiple two or more audios. Basic workspace element include the waveform display. On the x-axis of the display that you see on the computer screen or the monitor is time. On the y-axis is the audio amplitude, and mono will show one waveform and stereo will obviously show two waveforms, one on top of each other. Transport controls including the play, record, rewind, fast forward button. Mixing multiple instrumental playback where each is recorded as separate audio, compose audio with multiple clips, and voiceover and background music with fade in and fade out effects. Uh, Audio mixing allows you to adjust the volume level and apply the effects such as fade in and fade out to each of the audio independently. And the spectral view of the monitor is useful in analyzing the frequency range of the audio, selecting the frequency range, and identifying the audio distortion or to the frequency anomaly, and thereafter treating this anomaly. There are some parallels between the basic digital and digital image and digital audio editing. The basic digital image editing and the basic digital audio editing are they resemble the cutting and pasting, and in the digital video we adjust the tone, whereas in audio we adjust the volume. We can do noise reduction, and on the digital video we can do scratch reduction, and they resize and resample the audio or the image by means of these programs. The waveform, to select the segment of waveform, you need to click and drag. You can cut, copy, and paste. When the original volume is too soft or too loud for intended use, you can balance the audios to a certain level, usually the RMS value or the peak value or the reference level. You don't go to 100%. And wherever you want, you can fade in or fade out. You can amplify by means of reference decibels, percentage, normalize the peak level in the file selection, and amplify the entire file selection with the highest level of the peak level you specify. Fade in suppresses the volume at the beginning of the audio, and fade out suppresses the volume at the end of the audio. You can use both or one of the function. Envelope lets you to curve to specify ups and downs in the volumes over the course of audio and can create fade in, fade out effect. Noise reduction is very important when you have computer fan noise, hissing noise, microphone noise, studio background noise, vehicle noise, and all other noises that can be used. The fan noise can be suppressed. Hissing noise is often characterized by a certain frequency range that can be compressed. The basic idea of the hiss reduction is to suppress the amplitude of the hissing frequency range. To do the noise reduction, one has to do it constant throughout the audio in a wide frequency range. Noise reduction works when you can select a segment or a constant pure noise, and that programs perform the statistical analysis of the noise to generate the profile, and the program reduces the noise in the whole audio or selected segment. So some programs are the which can be used is Adobe Audition and Audacity. Change of pitch can be done, or change of speed can be done. It is best to record and work at the audio CD quality levels and 44,100 Hz sampling rate, 16-bit stereo or higher, When delivering the final audio, depending on the project, you may need to lower the file size. General step of audio recording is noise reduction, trimming, adjust the volume levels.